welcome back to our channel. I've just got ready for work this morning. I've got to go to work for a few hours, so I thought, why not take you with me? So I'm going on my bike this morning, up the road, up the hill to work, and I thought, come on, we'll take you guys with me on my bike, so let's go. So I'm just going to put you on my head. You're on my top of my helmet, so I'm just going to put you on my head. So here we go, guys. Thought you might like to come for a little journey with me this morning, guys. Just to see my ride to work in the mornings. Excuse my walking. My front light on, just on low, so some people can see you a bit better. Right guys, so off we go. You might not hear me as well, but we'll go. Right. Just going to wait for this car and then we're going to cross the road. Just go on the road for this bit, guys, because obviously then I'm on the right side of the road. Go through there, guys, which goes through to my work as well. That's through the woods, but it's too damp at the moment because it's still been muddy, so we're going to go down here, which is up the main entrance. Right, so this is the main entrance, the private drive for work, so we're going to ride up here, guys. I'm here, guys. I'm at my work. Right. Go around here. I put my bike around the back of the house. Right guys, I'm here at my work. Hope you enjoyed the morning ride, early morning ride. I'm going to go in for a few hours, and then when I come back I'll do a video and you can join me on the way home. Welcome back. I've now finished my few hours at work, so I'm now heading home, but as you can see the weather has completely changed and now it's really wet. So as we're going home, we've got to be very careful as we go. This morning, obviously, it only took me about 10-15 minutes to get to work. Obviously, it's a bit quicker going home because it's downhill, but obviously because of the weather, I've now got to go a bit slower down the hill just to be safe. So, let's go. Let me put my helmet on my head. But my bike is out here. We'll jump on the bike and then we'll go. I put a carrier bag on my seat just to make it a little bit drier, but I have got a bit of tissue in my pocket just to dry the seat anyway. There we go. Right, so slowly as we go and we'll go home. and we'll go and see little man and my boyfriend. Right, off we go, guys. Sorry guys, just squeezing through. Thank you. We're home, guys. Let me wipe you. You can't see. Okay. You see me now? We are finally home, guys. A wet ride home, but very refreshing. So that's my journey to work and back. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Join me again soon. We'll upload this one soon. Any comments, guys, comment down below and we'll answer back as soon as possible. Thanks for supporting us. If you haven't already subscribed, guys, please subscribe and support our channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you again soon. Bye.